Abundance versus scarcity. How changing one thought will multiply, will amplify your results. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. So, high flyers, we do a lot of work to help people with relationships. We do a tremendous amount of work to help people with abundance, but we also help people that need a shift in mindset to make their business fly, to get that test under their belt. In other words, they're struggling with an examination and their mindset just isn't right. It's holding them back. Or maybe you're an athlete or an actor or a musician or an artist or a writer, and you've hit a wall. You're stuck. We can help you. This video can help you because it's going to give you a thought that when you apply it, it will begin to shift your mindset. And what that means is you're going to get more results in manifesting anything you desire, your relationship, your specific person, your marriage, your career, your business, whatever it is, you can multiply it. You can amplify it. Before we go any further, I want to remind you to claim your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Why not find out what a mentoring program can do for your life? We've helped people in 60 different countries, and we can help you too with everything that deals with your mind and your manifestation and the life you desire to live. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Well, let's start with the basics. Okay, that's where to begin. A scarcity mindset is when your inner voice says things like, I can't afford it. I'm too old. Well, if they win, I lose. I have to fight for every scrap. When you have that scarcity mindset, it holds you back from your highest potential and it keeps you trapped. It keeps you thinking small. I had somebody tell me the other day, all billionaires are bad. Maybe all billionaires are good. Well, how can you say that? And I said, because I choose not to have a scarcity mindset. I choose not to live from poverty consciousness. I choose not to live from the consciousness that says, I can't. I choose to live from the consciousness that says, I can and I do. You know what it is, high flyers? Scarcity it's fueled by lack. It keeps you stuck in cycles of competition and comparison and settling. I'm going to settle for this. It's a good job. And in 40 years, I'll have a good pension. That's the belief. Fear. Now, contrast that with an abundance mindset. There's more to go around. There's enough for everyone. Opportunities are everywhere. If you simply desire something and put your heart and soul to it, you can achieve it. If you believe it, you can achieve it and you can live it. You can be part of the 1%. And if you believe you are part of the 1%, you are. An abundance mindset says money, the vibration of money, the vibration of success is good. It's not bad. And to have this limiting view that the vibration of money is bad, that's a limiting belief. That's a scarcity mindset. If it exists for me in my mind, it already exists for me in reality. You see, the difference between these two mindsets is it isn't just philosophy or feelings, it's energy, it's frequency. Scarcity closes the door. It closes the door on your relationships. It closes the door on your marriages. It closes the door on your income. It closes the door on your success. Abundance opens the door. I always think about this story. Nobody believed that it was possible to run a 4-minute mile. Then a guy named Roger Bannister ran the 4-minute mile. And shortly after that, a few months after that, other people began to run a 4-minute mile. Why? Because they believed it was possible. Do you believe it's possible for you to do the things that you desire to do, to live the life that you desire to live? I believe it's possible for you, but I can't believe it for you totally. You have to believe it for yourself. What you believe about yourself, the energy that you send out into the universe, is exactly what you'll attract back. So here's one powerful thought. I'm sharing this thought with you, and I want you to treat this thought as a precious nugget of gold. Here's one powerful thought that will multiply your results. Everything I desire is already mine. I am simply aligning with it. Everything. There's nothing outside of everything. Everything, your relationship, your job, your career, your money, your health, your future, everything I desire, it's already mine. I'm simply aligning with it. You see, if you hang on to this thought, if you memorize it, if you make it yours, it will pull you instantly into abundance. And that's a good thing. You see, what this thought does, high flyers, is it eliminates chasing and worrying and grasping and wishing and hoping and what if and I should have done this and all of that. It just eliminates it once and for all. Think about it. When you believe something is already yours, you naturally relax. You stop sending out energy of desperation. You begin acting in ways that align with the version of you who already has it. If you believe abundance is already yours, you stop obsessing over bills, and all of a sudden you start attracting money and opportunities. If you believe love is already yours, you stop obsessing and clinging to one person and you start radiating confidence. And all of a sudden, your specific person or even someone better shows up in your life and you're happier and deeper in love than you ever imagined. If you believe success is already yours, you stop procrastinating and you start preparing and taking inspired action. You see, it's the law of attraction and the law of assumption. Law of attraction, law of assumption, working together. You assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, and the universe reflects it right back to you. Now, here's a few things you can do that are going to help you immensely. Number one, catch your scarcity thoughts. Whenever you hear those scarcity thoughts, I can't afford it, it'll never happen, I'm too old, I'm too young, I'm too tall, I'm too fat, I'm too thin, I'm too, I don't have enough time. Pause and say, cancel that thought. And I visualize one of those red street markers in my mind. Cancel that thought and then flip it with one thought. Everything I desire is already mine. I am simply aligning with it. I told you a few seconds ago, you need to memorize this. You need to make this golden nugget yours. Everything I desire is already mine. I'm simply aligning with it. Number 3, anchor it with feelings. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. And just imagine what it feels like to already have the things you want. The relief, the joy, the gratitude. Ah, feels good. You see, that only took me a minute. You only need to visualize for a minute, 2 or 3 or 4 times a day. The wish fulfilled. And that alone is enough power and vibrational resource to bring it into your life. It's not about parroting an affirmation 1,000 times a day or 10,000 times. Notice the little parrot up there? Every time you see that parrot, it's a reminder that you're not a parrot. You are a person. You are a co-creator, and you create through feelings. Number 4, act from abundance. Act as if you already have it. Take one small action and act as if it's already done. Smile at yourself in the mirror, and say, hey, we're doing good. Look at yourself in the mirror and say, we're doing great. Good things are coming our way. It's phenomenal how talking to yourself in the mirror will do that. Act from abundance. So remember, the shift from scarcity to abundance is one golden nugget. It's one thought that if you'll memorize it and use it, will change your life. Here it is again. Everything I desire is already mine. I am simply aligning with it. Now, carry that thought around with you today. Use it, practice it, put it on a piece of paper, write it down on a piece of paper and carry it. Put it in your wallet. So every time you open your wallet, you see it. Put it on a mirror. So when you get up in the morning to get cleaned up, you see it. Put it on the refrigerator. So if you go to overeat, you see it. Everything I desire is already mine. I'm simply aligning with it. I believe you are. I believe this is your time. I believe that the end of this year in 2026 is going to be a turning point in your life like you have never seen. I don't know how I know it. I just know it. And I trust it. You have a great day. You absolutely deserve it.